to my channel. Today's video is another unboxing video. But first of all, how are you guys coping up with this COVID-19 outbreak? It's been months since we have this virus in our environment, and most of the places are all locked down, quarantined, or partially locked down. So I hope you guys are healthy, and please do stay at home, and let's enjoy this unboxing video. In the midst of this COVID-19 pandemic, I have received my pre-ordered item. I'm so excited to unbox this thing. It's been sitting in my home for like 2 weeks. I want to shoot this unboxing with you guys to have a very first look. And as you all know from the title, this is the Peak Design Travel Tripod. We pre-ordered this last year, so let's unbox this. Wow, I'm so surprised. I'm so speechless. This is so compact and so light. The weight is 1.27 kg. In the box, we have a waterproof soft case, and it has a handle here. And there's a small packet inside here, and which is this one. It's the bushing removal tool, which I don't know what does it mean. We still need to find out, but if you know, please comment down below. And it comes with a tool, the hex wrench. It's very compact. You have it here, and there's another tool. Just need to pull this off, and you have your mobile stand that you can use and put it on the mount, which is so handy. Okay, and you have the hook here to put your bag on. The height of this one can reach up to 60 inch. Basically, it can give you all the angle that you want, and this is how you release. Super long. Super sturdy. And this tripod can hold up to 9 kg of camera, which is optimized for pro setups up to full-frame DSLRs plus a telephoto lens. So this is very strong. You can use it anywhere. They also have accessories for tripod spike, so that whenever you are in the mountains or any grass surface that you need to use your tripod and you need to be stable, more stable, then you can purchase that. It's I think around $30 USD. You can place it here, and then it will be so stable. I haven't used this kind of plate here because the tripod that I am using is the Manfrotto, and it basically just need to have the tripod mount. But this one, it has a standard plate that you can just put under your camera, plug it, unplug it anytime. It's so easy. This is the same plate that you can see when you buy any Peak Design plates, which is very nice because we have those. So CJ would be very happy to use this because he will be the one handling this. The reason why we pre-ordered this travel tripod from Peak Design is due to its compact. Our current tripod is not that bad, but our current tripod is kind of like bulky. I think they have almost the same weight, like 1.2 kg, almost the same. So yeah, I will let you see the comparison. Give me one moment. This is our old tripod from Manfrotto. So if you can see the comparison, this is kind of like bulky. This is super sturdy and compact. The weight is almost the same, but the functionality of this one is much more useful. And by the way, this is the carbon fiber version of the Peak Design Travel Tripod. This one, you can just throw it in your bag, any bag that you have. It will not eat up a big space in your bag. But this one, you really need to put this outside your bag, which is the tripod handle, and you need to strap it. Of course, this one is much cheaper compared to this. I'll put the link below in the description box so that you can see which tripod that suits your needs. So for us, probably these 2 tripods will be our first and last tripods. All in all, we are so happy we decided to get this. This will last long. He will be our travel companion on our next travels. If you have any questions, comments, suggestion about this travel tripod from Peak Design, you can put on the comments down below and I'll be happy to answer all of your queries. So yeah, that's all for now for this unboxing. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope you're doing well, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!